This is another episode of... God damn it. I know everybody was going to start talking. It fucked me. This is another episode of dealing with this piece of shit fucking bike. But it's actually a nice bike. I like this bike. Someone yelled at me because I said this is a piece of shit bike. And they were like, I own that bike. And I was like, no, I like this bike and I like your bike. But for me, this is a piece of shit bike. We'll do the breakdown now. Bing, bang, boom. Oh, well, bing, bang, boom. There we go. Nice gloss rim. Right, Mikey? It's pretty. Mikey said I do a good, decent job. Look at that.
I buy that for $1.
It's worth $1, honestly. It's got a nail in the tire. We got a Volcom nice chain conversion kit. Installation simple. There you go, it's done. Nice little rear sprocket. Nice chain. Gold. What's this? Oh. Front sprocket. Empty box. Empty box. And that's it. Pretty simple. It comes with spacers. So you put the proper spacers alongside what you need. It comes with some cool doodads and hardware. But essentially, this is all you need. Today, I'm only putting this on the wheel. And then I'm going to break down that so it can be prepared for tomorrow for installation. So wish me luck. Anything to say, Mike? Nice. Day 3, did a bit of a time skip. What you're gonna see is, in order to do the chain conversion kit, I had to take off the exhaust. When I was taking off the exhaust, bolts and studs and nuts started breaking. And so what you're seeing is me taking on the exhaust part, not leaving the job undone. It was a problem that was gonna be a pain in the ass in the future, and I decided to deal with it now. And that's why the chain conversion kit is now just postponed until the exhaust is settled, and then you'll see at the end whether I fix it or it just completely breaks. So keep watching. I guess now Mikey's over and taking a piss. I guess now this is the unfortunate news upon approaching events that I've been defeated by a single nut. Bananas.
This is my issue right now. See how that came out? No problem. You see that bad boy? Never wanted to come out. Kept crumbling, kept breaking. It's just
one pain in the ass after another, right, Mikey? So the nuts fused to the stud. Now we're just gonna have to either cut the pipe, do some drastic means.
Probably lay some pipe, but who knows?
Probably lay some pipe. I can't. I'm gonna take him in. But option dose is that we just build the goddamn 1200 now. We build the bike from 883 to 1200, and we try to button everything up in like 3 days. Which sounds near impossible.
Day 2.
Oh! You got it off?
Yeah, I got it off. Fuck yeah, dude. That's an achievement.
You bust that nut?
I'm busting. I'm excited. Mikey's not. Mikey's the biggest fucking critic I know. He can go sit on an icicle deck and freeze his butthole and shit out a whole Coca-Cola can for all I care.
That'd be the most action I've had in a long time.
Let me tell you what I did, because I mentioned it in the last one. This is day 2 of dealing with this fucking problem. So, as you saw from the last video, the exhaust was on, and the nut right there was cold fused to the stud. And so what I did with about $165 this and $300 that, oh no, she charged me $200. I didn't use the coupon. Oh, I could have saved 40 bucks. Anyway, I got that welder. I welded the shit out of that about, what? How many times did this? 3?
6.
4 times? I did not do it 6 times. Go kick a rock.
Dude, you did it 3 times with me.
Eat my asshole, Mikey. Anyway, whatever amount of times, right? I welded this bolt, and you can see how crud it is because flex core is just the nastiest, but that's all that was holding me back from getting my exhaust on. So I welded the bolt over to the nut with very limited space, and I got it off. And now I can fucking work on my bike. Woo! So, right, we got that out, and I welded a nut to it because when it broke, it got stuck over in the head, but now it's turning and it's spinning. You can see, bang, bang, fuck, I just had it. There we go. So it's spinning, I mean, ever so gently, but now here's the other fucking problem. Came out, no problem, and then now that side is totally flat. So now I gotta get a bolt extractor. Now that's tomorrow's issue. If I'm gonna say anything, don't buy a Sportster. They're the worst bikes you can possibly buy in the world. They're garbage, they're shit. You buy a Honda, right? You buy a Honda Grom right there, and you rip, you shred, and you get so much pussy, right?
I get so much.
So much pussy, like it just gushes.
The level of pussy I get is like I swim in it every night.
I swim in it every night. If you made it this far and you haven't been pissed off, I am completely and utterly joking. We love our Sportsters. We love our Harleys, our Dynas, and we appreciate all bikes.
Yeah, and I actually don't feel any pussy.
But if you have a Honda, dude, like, you will get so much pussy. All right, tomorrow, bolt extractor, chain conversion kit, and a lot of beer.
Peep the mirrors though.
Peep the mirrors, hold up. Peep the mirrors though. It's like 2 tips of dicks touching.
That's how you know you're bros.
Sign off. Say something cool.
Remember always to tip your waitress. And stay golden, pony boy.
Stay golden, pony boy.